Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a lovely Ghanaian breakfast. I'm going to put all the ingredients that you're going to need in the description box. Let's get cooking. So you're going to need a scotch bonnet pepper, some sweet pepper, any colour of your choice, some tin mackerel. I usually just use these in a small tin that I get from Tesco. You're going to need some eggs. We're going to boil some eggs, onions. Gonna need some plantain and some black pepper seasoning, extra hot chili powder, some ginger and some all-purpose seasoning. First we're going to make something called kelewele. It's a Ghanaian spiced plantain, a very spicy plantain. You cut the plantain into 4 and then you cut them into smaller pieces like this. Then you season up your plantain. I have another video which I'm going to put in the description box on how to actually make this kelewele and what seasonings to put on it to get the perfect taste. So if you're interested, just click the link in my description box. So this is what the final product should look like. Very lovely. You just pat it off with some paper towels to get rid of the excess oil. These just smell yummy. So the next part of our breakfast, we're going to fry up the mackerel. So all you're going to need is some black pepper, mackerel and your little seasoning. So we're going to cut these up first. Depending on how spicy you want it is how much scotch bonnet you cut. I didn't want it too spicy, so you can see I left out majority of the seeds. But if you want it spicy, add in the seeds. And then you just fry it up in a little bit of oil and you only add black pepper. You don't need to add nothing more because mackerel is a very strong flavoured fish. You don't want to overpower the flavour of the fish. So when your onions start to get a bit translucent, you can add in your fish. I'm going to grill some tomatoes, so put some black pepper on the tomatoes and just put it straight into the grill on high heat. When you take it out of the grill, just sprinkle a little parsley. If you have fresh parsley, even better, just to top it on the tomatoes to give it a bit of colour. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time.